Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to resize video in CapCut PC. And let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our PC CapCut application, and in here we already have a video. As you can see, this is the video, and if I want to reduce the size or if I want to change the aspect ratio, then the process is really simple. I just need to do it. Just select the clip and then go over that place in the right corner, and here you can see we are in the checkout the basic plan, and then here we have the option for scale. If you want to reduce the size or resize the size, just down this scroll down and then you will get this resize issue, and you can increase the size by clicking this also. It's totally up to you. Then you can rotate it. If you wanted it to rotate, then you are allowed to do it like this way. Again, let's talk about the ratio. So how you can change the aspect ratio, right? Right now it is 16:9 ratio, but I just want to make it as portrait, so that for a reason I'm going to change the ratio. And in here in the right corner next to this button, you can find out this ratio, aspect ratio option. Just click over here and you can see here we have original ratio option, then we have custom ratio option, then we have further option over that place. And as you can see 9:16, this is the portrait ratio, so you can change it how you want. So I'm going to make it 9:60 ratio, then I will click over here, and now you can see our ratio has been changed. So the process, I hope you understand how easy the process was. You can resize it by check this out, this option transform. If you want to change the ratio, then you just need to go over here and then you just need to click this place. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video, and if you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.